Many technicians say the most dangerous tool for a technician is the sanding paper or sanding tool, because after sanding and you've made a mistake, you cannot attach the sanded material back to the hammer. So it's better to be more conscious when you are sanding, because it's a very, how should I call it, critical moment when sanding. You need to be more conscious when working or sanding a hammerhead. It's my first time to start sanding, but after monitoring my maestro a number of times doing it, so to not being given a chance to try the sanding, I tried with two materials in the first place at home, and he was pleased with it. He told me, yes, I'm good at sanding. So today he told me to try out with this action. When sanding, this hand that is holding the sanding material should go 45 degrees, and you have to sit proportional to the hammer so you don't make corners. 45 degrees, and you start sanding, and after you have to change the way you're handling the sanding material to finish up with this end. When sanding, you remove a layer from the hammerhead. It goes up to the hammerhead top, and after you pull it down, change your finger and pull it down, and this is how you finish up with it. When you see that it's ready, you let it go, you finish it. You don't have to particularly sand more and more and more till you reach the wood. No. You have to use your eyes and see, oh, now this is better, and you finish up. After sanding, there is an iron material tool you use to carve the hammerhead.